we have everything here for you. The calm feeling, the green grass, the big trees, the quality of the homes, the vision that we've created here, you'll feel it when you pull in. My name's Tony Larson. I'm one of the owners of Sand Hollow Vacation Rentals. This is called the Aerie Resort. These homes, they're just amazing. They're big, you got your own pools in them, little putting greens, everything you could imagine is in these homes. They sleep anywhere from 20 to the high end, 50 people in the house.
The landscape is European, the homes are European. I'm Amy Hansen. I'm a realtor and an interior designer here in Southern Utah, and I had the amazing opportunity to design some of the homes out here in Aerie Resort. A unique feature of these homes are the custom bunk rooms. The kids absolutely love them. They all can just have a fun little sleepover, and it's just a really cool vacation experience. The pool is amazing. It's got a kiddie pool area, it's got a lap pool, the hot tub, it's huge. And you have the pickleball courts here.
We not only have Sand Hollow Reservoir, we're 30 minutes to the Gate of Zion. We've got the Jellystone Park that's literally just right next to us. It's going to be the only water slide down here in St. George right now.
We decided after our first visit, this is the only place that we are going to stay when we come to Sand Hollow. One of our favorite things about staying here is that Sand Hollow Vacation Rentals is literally 2 miles from the gate of Sand Hollow. We bring 3 and 4 Jeeps on a trailer. No one wants to load those Jeeps, and so we are able to drive our Jeeps right to the entrance of the park. We can get 36 people in these homes to sleep. That's sleeping. And our last event, we had 51 people for dinner.
We actually have on-site property management 24/7 that if you need something goes wrong with the house or something happens, whatever it is, we're here for you.
If you're looking to experience Southern Utah, this is the best place to stay.